Okay, we are doing the periodic table lab, and for this video we're just going to do the activity 2. And for activity 2 you're going to need the deck of cards for your periodic table, and it says card deck number 2. In this activity you want to, when it says for you to remove the 2 cards that have the atomic mass of 1 and 4. So you're going to remove those 2 cards. And those are those 2 cards. So you're going to set those to the side, and we will get back with those later. The next thing you want to do now is it says to group your remaining cards by property that's on the card. So I think in this instance you can choose any property on this card. What I'm going to go with is the valence electrons. So all the cards that have the valence electrons of 3, I'm going to put all together. So we're going to do that now. So my valence electron 3. And my valence electrons of 2. Put those together. Have a valence electrons of 6. And 8. And 5. 1. And we have 4. And then there's 7, the last one, 7. Okay, so now what we're going to do is just spread them out. Okay, so once we have all those together, then as you can see, they're all together. This will be the time that you would take your picture for your reference. And I have already taken my picture. So we're going to just keep on moving. If you notice that the cards that have the same valence number, if you look at them, like for instance, I'm going to take my valence electron of 1. Those cards in that specific with the valence electron of 1, they all have like the same properties. So like their oxidation state is a +1, and they have the same valence electron. And then they also have the formula with O with oxygen, and you see that is X2O. So that's the similarities with those. The next one, valence electrons of 3. they still have similarities. Oxidation state +3, valence electrons 3, and the formula with oxygen X2O3. They have the same similarities as well. And with your valence electrons of 6, everything is the same, just like with the other two. Now for those cards that you set to the side, you're going to find their valence electrons, and the one with the atomic mass of 4, it has the valence electron of 2. So we're going to find that, and that is up here. And look at the difference. It doesn't have the oxidation state of 2 + 2 like the valence electron of 2, and it doesn't have a formula with O as well like that one does. Then your atomic mass of 1, it has a valence electron of 1. So let's find 1 and 1. Now this one, the atomic mass of 1, it does have the oxidation state of a positive 1, but it also has an oxidation state of a negative 1. But it also has the formula with oxygen, which is the X2O. So it belongs in that family. Okay. So you can see that wraps up our periodic table. Don't forget for this lab, you have to take pictures and apply it to your lab, and that's how that goes. See you later.